When a man decides to step back from pursuing a woman, it initiates a profound shift in dynamics. Suddenly, the flurry of messages and calls ceases, and he withdraws from actively seeking her attention. What happens next unfolds in the woman's heart and mind. Initially, she may feel a sense of loneliness. If she genuinely cares, his absence creates a void where his presence once filled her days with laughter, deep conversations, and comforting silences. The sudden change leaves her uncertain, grasping for clues in their past interactions, wondering why he pulled away. A quick reminder to subscribe, like and share this video. In response, she might reach out, seeking answers or hoping for his return. Her nights become restless, haunted by thoughts of what could have led to his retreat. Amidst this turmoil, she tests the waters, subtly probing for signs of his interest or the presence of someone new in his life. As time passes without a clear resolution, she may resort to watching from afar, observing his social media posts or frequenting places he visits, trying to decipher his feelings through indirect interactions. Each like, each comment, becomes a clue in her quest to understand his state of mind. Yet, not every woman reacts the same. Some may show indifference, signaling that his absence doesn't affect them deeply. This stark reality underscores a crucial point: stepping back doesn't guarantee a woman's return. It only holds meaning when mutual affection exists. A quick reminder to subscribe, like and share this video. Ultimately, the decision to step back requires self-respect and patience. It's a delicate balance of respecting boundaries while allowing emotions to settle naturally. Above all, it's about recognizing one's worth and seeking relationships built on mutual respect and genuine affection. Thanks for watching, see you around.